Thales is a high-tech company. It's roughly 65,000 employees, out of which 22,000 are engineers, and half of them are software engineers.
One of the key missions is to provide solutions to enable our client to take the better decision at the right time. We are doing that in 5 main markets, which are aerospace, space, defense, ground transportation, and security.
The common thing in all of those domains is that they run critical application, critical system, critical software. Now the world is transforming really quickly. It's important for Thales to be able to respond to the customer needs more quickly than before.
They are asking for us to be part of the game, to help them to be more agile.
Digital Factory is an organization that has been created to accelerate the digital transformation inside Thales.
We are working with the business lines in order to introduce new technologies, new processes, new ways of working to be, let's say, faster go-to-market, faster innovation cycles and product developments.
We chose Pivotal and Microsoft as partners. First of all, because they were providing very, very relevant solutions and products to create the digital platform. Some of the first-party services that I find interesting in Azure are Active Directory, which is really key for us because it's providing a lot of security. So my interest in Azure Stack and the hybrid cloud capability is really important.
Security is a key component in the aerospace and defense. Both Pivotal and Azure brought this.
We were able to create the platform from scratch and deploy it and have a project working on it after 4 months.
Our squads are able in Sprint 1 to have already all their development environment up and running, and that's thanks to, of course, cloud-based technology, so leveraging Azure and, of course, Pivotal.
And also it provides us this capability with very few people in terms of operation.
We have a team of 3 or 4 people, and that's enough to monitor, to control and patch, to operate several MVPs.
Using Pivotal, I also learned to use Java and Spring Boot.
Some developers are using the Spring framework with the help of Spring Cloud service. They are able to focus on the business value of their application.
Currently, there are 10 MVP running in the Digital Factory.
Now, with PCF, we are able to create a new organization and push a new service in an hour, and that's a big change compared to the situation before.
Each time we develop a feature, we push it in development, so there are almost 5 or 6 push in development every day. You can make push automatically in 5 minutes. It's all automated. This cannot be possible without Pivotal, I think.
Thanks to this kind of platform, we leveraged a new architecture, 12 factors, principles and microservices architectures. It was also a benefit for our team.
The future is to have more and more MVP, to be able to onboard them easily.
One of the key challenges for us is to ensure that the squad is able to work in the same way that they were working inside the factory when they go back to their business line with a different culture.
I can get all the technical resources that I need. I don't have any barrier in terms of organization, and we have a tool that's really efficient.
It's always very exciting to discover a new kind of way of working, new market, new product, but it's sometimes very tough and when you are the explorer and the first one to discover the things. But that's a really exciting situation.